Hello everyone, today I am drawing such a beautiful design, the brinjal. So first of all I will tell you about the history of brinjal. Brinjal or eggplant is a vegetable that originated in India and Southeast Asia. It has been eaten for a long time with the evidence of people eating it in India and Pakistan as far as 4000 years ago. The plant was first grown in India and then spread to other parts of the world. I hope so this information will be valuable for you. So please like my video and share my account. Also follow my account. Thank you so much and enjoy the drawing.